Hello everyone, this is day 16, question 2 of our Leetcode activity. Backspace string compare. Given two strings, S and T, return true if they are equal when both are typed into a empty text editor. But here's the twist that a hashtag means a backspace character. So note that after backspacing an empty string, the text will remain empty. So that is trivial. So how let us understand first. So here this is S and T. So there is an empty text editor where and we are going to simply follow the instructions. So S is A B, now hashtag. So we press backspace C. Now T is equal to A D hashtag. So backspace C. So we have to return R S and T equal after this? Yes. So this will be true. And you can see here answer this is true. Here also as A B backspace. So this will be empty string. C backspace D backspace. So this will also be empty string. So empty string is equal to empty string. So it is true. But A backspace C. So this will become C and this is B. So C is not equal to B, so it is false. So we understand the question how can we solve this? So to solve this, I've I have written this simple code here. First of all, we declare a function. We create a function. What is this function? This function will return a string and take an input as a string. Now we declare a string res for character C in S, that is for each character in S our input string, if C is not equal to hashtag, that is that the character is not a backspace character. Then if it is not a backspace character, we simply push back C. That is here that this was our string, right now it's empty. So A B hashtag C. So now our string is empty. First of all, we go on A. A. A is A equal to hashtag or backspace? No. So we simply add A to our string. That is, we push back C. Now, else if not equal to empty. So what we are saying, if it is not a hashtag, this condition says C is not equal to hashtag. So if this condition fails, that means it's a hashtag. So that is a backspace character. So when we see a backspace character and the string is not empty, we just push pop back. Pop back means we just pop the last element. So how it will go? So A is not hashtag, so A will be pushed back, so A will be added. Now it will go to B. B is also not hashtag, so string will become AB. Now it will go to hashtag. Now hashtag is a backspace character. So we'll just simply, and is our string empty? No. So we'll just pop back. will remove the last element, that is B. Now again it will go to C, and C is not hashtag, so it will be simply pushed back to the string, that is it will be added. So this is A C. So similarly we'll perform this. So this string, this, this, and we'll at last just return that string. So this function is just calculating the final string, the final string which remains after all the operations, all these backspaces applied. What will be the final string? This this function will return that. So now what we do, simply take our both the input strings, pass them through this function, and simply check if they are equal. That is, after applying all the backspaces, are they equal? Is the final string equal? And that actually that was the whole question, that after applying backspaces, after applying all the operations, are the both strings equal? So this was the simple logic to solve the question backspace string compare. Thank you.